Another popular question that we get is whether it's mandatory to use MGID Pixel in order to use our AI features. The short answer is no, you don't have to use MGID Pixel specifically because CPA Tune works with any conversion tracking method. However, it is mandatory to pass conversion data to MGID system in order to use CPA Tune. It's the machine learning algo. It works with data, no visibility of what happens with the clicks, with users within the funnel. So yeah, you have to pass conversions in order to use CPA Tune. However, we do encourage using MGID Pixel regardless. First of all, it's GDPR-friendly. You can also paste that through Google Tag Manager. And recently, we've released a new feature called engagement metrics that are also supported by MGID Pixel. So regardless of the tracking method you'd like to use for CPA Tune, we still encourage you to use MGID Pixel additionally to that.